up, guys? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds again. So our parts bike just got here. It's 2005, I believe, Heritage Softail. It just rolled in off of transport, and our initial thought was we saw it had this expensive fairing on there with the stereo and stuff that we're not going to use, and the bags and the seat. We knew we could sell all that stuff to recoup some of the money because we had to pay a lot for it because it is in good shape. The initial ad on the auction said that it did not run in drive, so we don't know if it starts or anything else like that. But just doing a quick look over on it, the only thing that I can see wrong with it is a small scratch on this fairing that we plan on getting rid of anyway, and the crash bar is bent just a little bit. Other than that, it seems to be in great shape. Real curious to see if it has any kind of mechanical issues or anything like that. It is an insurance salvage, so it should be a run and drive, but I guess we'll go and get it outside, get a battery, a jump box on it, and see if we can get it to fire off, see what it sounds like before we go any further with it.
Oh, didn't break out the window, that's good. Oh, man.
And this one is carbureted, so I'm to make sure the gas is on. It on reserve. Perfect. Let's see what all we got in here. We know we got a charger that came with it. Floorboard. Got the original dipstick. This one's got one of those temperature ones on it. Ooh, it's got a key. Didn't say it came with a key. That's pretty cool. Got a remote. It looks like it's got LEDs on it too. That's probably what all those wires are about too. I don't know how to make them come on though. Oh, there they are.
They're on.
Nifty. Oh, look at this. He forgot his... He was smoking weed. That's why he wrecked. He still got some in there. Oh my God. Got a wet t-shirt. That's pretty nasty. Some Loctite. Can never go wrong with that. It's pretty cool. It's really not that bad of a bike. I'd hate to take it apart and like make it a parts bike. You know what I mean?
What are you thinking?
It's even got a cup holder. We need to sell it like it is.
I think it's too nice.
Yeah, I think it's way too nice. It's way too nice to be a parts bike. We're gonna have to drop back and punt on it. I say well, first of all, let's get the back tire pumped up, take it for a spin, see how it rides, and then get some of this junky stuff off of here and sell it. You know, try to put this on eBay, the fairing, put like the seat, or the back seat and the bags and stuff on eBay, or maybe sell it all like it is all together. I don't know. I say we get it cleaned up, see what it looks like. Right now the plan is, I guess, we're gonna go ahead and get these tassels off of here because I don't think that's gonna help it sell. Go ahead and get the sticker off, get it cleaned up, and after we do all that, we'll. I don't have my compressor here at work, so we'll take it over to the gas station, put some air in the back tire, and take it for a little spin, see how it rides. We need to go ahead and get a charger on the battery, get it charging up. Alright, I was trying to figure out if I'm going to leave the bags on or take it off, but it looks like, I don't know how I didn't see this before. Well, I'm not used to Softails and the way that the bags bolt up and stuff, but this bracket's bent pretty bad, so we're definitely going to go ahead and lose both the bags and clean it up. It'll give it a lot cleaner look because you can actually see the back wheel and stuff then too. Alright, got this side off, on to the next side.
Okay, good.
I'm going to go ahead and pull off this bent crash bar while I'm up here at it. It'll make it easier to get in and out of the door too. I'm using Bike Bright today. I'm just going to hose everything down and spray it off, see what it comes out like. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time on it. I'm just going to try to knock the dust off of it from the auction. Ooh, it's got Screaming Eagle plug wires. Plus, probably like 20 horsepower right there. All right, we got the dust knocked off of it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean up the white walls. That's what makes the biggest difference on these, is like having them white walls blinging. I'm gonna give this bike a quick wipe down with quick detail, and she should be ready to sell after that. And it looks like a total different bike now, with the white walls all cleaned up and those ugly bags off of it. Looks like somebody's lowered it in the back a little bit too. Makes a big difference. They may not have, I don't know Softails that well, but it looks like it to me. Take off the fairing. Like, my honest opinion is, this is a Heritage. It needs to have that clean look. I think we should take this off and take the back seat off. It looks so much cleaner with the fairing off of it. We just got to finish wiping off all this dirt that hadn't been cleaned in probably years off of it. I think it's looking good. The last thing we need to do to make it look really sharp, in my opinion, is just get this back seat off and these ugly studs off of here. I think we still have the bolts that came out of the back of this, so that we can trade them out for these. Thing ready to sell. It's a 05 Heritage Softail. I think it's got 35,000 miles on it. It is a carbureted bike. Obviously, you saw it's been sitting for months and it fired right off and held idle, so it runs like a fuel injected bike. But the tires on it are like new. The only thing that's on it that's wrong with it that I can tell is the dent in the front fender, which doesn't need to be replaced. It's something like a paintless dent removal guy could fix or something like that. Anyway, we'll sell it like it sits without touching it. It does have a salvage title, I believe, out of South Carolina or North Carolina. Either way, we'll sell it like it sits for $42.50. If we throw in the fairing, the back seat, and the bags, and all that other stuff, you're looking at like $4,700 bucks. But it's a run and drive, runs and drives great. Since this was our parts bike and it fell through, actually in a positive way, we'll be on the hunt still for another Softail to get all the parts for on that one, so we can continue on with that build. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell on there so you can see when we post our next video. Thank you very much.